Nivrita Nayak sir, and who is a very big part of this WHD. So we are very much keen to know few things from sir. Sir, I would like to ask you that till now, what are the projects has been done at the CCRH or in our field of homeopathy in the epidemic section? If you would like to say something about that.
During this COVID-19, we have a difficult time, and CCRH, Central Council for Research in Homeopathy, has taken steps under the aegis of Ministry of Health, and around we have taken up 18 research studies on different type of studies, on like preclinical studies, clinical research. Under clinical research, there are prophylactic studies and treatment studies. And the treatment studies have added homeopathic treatment to the standard of care. Near about we have done 7 prophylactic studies and 7 add-on treatment studies at different hospitals in different parts of India. And in the prophylactic studies, most of the trials are done with arsenic alcohol, which is the prophylactic declared by Ministry of Ayush in its advisory. And the results are also encouraging. And regarding the treatment studies, we have done studies at AIIMS, Jhajjar, at Chirai Hospital, Bhopal, and some of the hospital in collaboration with some of the technical partners at Pune, like KME Hospital, Ruby Health Clinics, and now one of the studies going on at JJ Hospital, Mumbai, and some of the other trials are in other hospitals like at Bhopal Homeopathy Medical College, Government Homeopathy Medical College, and that is briefly these are the studies. And
Sir, I would like to know one thing more that as we have seen the terror of the COVID-19 yet, and sir, is the second phase is going to come or already have reached. So, sir, what do you feel that what are the things that the CCRH can again perform about the second wave of the COVID-19 and what we can plan further?
First is the prophylactic, because arsenic alcohol we have done at 2 big trials. One in Delhi containment zones and another in a multi-center study at different cities and in the containment zones of different cities. First study which we have done at Delhi containment areas, COVID containment area. So it has around 10,000 population we have done. And second study which we have done are around 32,000 samples, where 22,000 has received medicine and